Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going even bigger. We're going to draw and color a very special number block. Number block 1000. Let's build him step by step. First, draw a big rectangle. This is the frame that will hold all the blocks. Now, draw 9 vertical lines inside the rectangle from top to bottom, spaced evenly. These 9 lines create 10 columns. Next, draw 9 horizontal lines across the rectangle, left to right, spaced evenly. These 9 lines create 10 rows. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 horizontal lines make 10 rows. Now we have 10 times 10 equals 100 big cells. Now, inside each big cell, we'll show the small internal grid details. Each big cell will visually show 3 mini vertical lines. Every time we complete 10 big cells across a row, that equals 100 blocks. Because 10 big cells times 10 is 100. We will verify these 100 markers as you draw. 100, 200, 300, all the way to 1,000 when we finish. Wow, 1,000 is going to be so big! That makes 10 rows. Now we have 100 big cells. Near the top center, draw the one big round eye. Inside it, add a pupil circle. Now, below the eye, draw a wide, friendly smile. Inside the mouth, draw the tongue, too. Add 1 curvy hand on each side of the body. At the very bottom, add 2 small curved legs so number block 1000 can stand tall. Finally, write 1000 on the badge area in the center. Excellent! The drawing is complete. Now we color. Pick up your black crayon. Carefully color the pupil inside the big eye. Fill the inside of the mouth with black so the tongue will pop later. Spell the color B-L-A-C-K, black. Can you point to something black near you? Show it to the camera. Now choose a dark red crayon. Color the eye outline and both hands and both feet with dark red. This makes his features bold. Spell it D-A-R-K-R-E-D, dark red. Give a wiggle and a count. Every time you color a hand, wiggle your own hand. How many hands does number block 1000 have? 1. So wiggle 1 time by his name. Now, for the big part, the whole body. Grab your red crayon and color every big cell carefully. This is a big job and will take time. Color row by row. Spell it loud, R-E-D, red. Let's count the first row of 10 big cells together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That completes 1 row, equals 100 blocks. Clap once for every 100 you finish. After the first row, clap. 1 clap. Keep going for each full row.
30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360, 390, 420, 450, 480, 510, 540, 570, 600, 630, 660, 690, 720, 750, 780, 810, 840, 870, 900, 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, 980, 990, 1000.
Finally, pick a dark pink crayon for the tongue. Carefully color it so it looks bright inside the black mouth. Spell P-I-N-K, pink. Amazing job! Today, you drew and colored number block 1000 and learned how big numbers are made of smaller groups. You practiced counting, spelling, and coloring. You saw how tens and 100s build up to 1000. 1000 is huge, and you made it! I'm proud to be built by you. See you next time for another big number block adventure. Give yourselves a big clap. Bye-bye, and keep building numbers.
Hello, super artists! Are you ready for some drawing fun today? We're going to draw our happy block friend, step by step. So grab your pencil and let's get started. First, we need to draw the big shape of our block friend. This is like making the outside of its body. Super friendly. Perfect. Now, just below the eye, let's draw a small happy smile. Draw a big round eye in the center. Nice and big so it looks super friendly. Each side of the square, draw a small rectangle for the arm. Next, draw a line straight down the middle from the top of the square to the bottom. This will help us divide it into smaller parts. Awesome! Now we have two halves, left and right. Let's draw vertical lines from top to bottom across the square, just like tiny fence posts. We'll start on the left and go all the way to the right. Keep going! One line after another. You're doing great. Two tiny feet, just small blocks poking out. Fantastic! You did it! Our happy block friend is complete. Doesn't it look amazing? We started with a simple shape, and now it's a character full of...
See how our friend is just an outline right now? It's like a special drawing with all sorts of bright and happy colors. It has so many little squares just waiting to be filled in. First, let's look at its big, friendly eye and its happy smile. We're going to start coloring right there. It's so exciting to see how our friend will look with all these wonderful colors. There we go! A bright, shiny black eye. Now, let's pick a fun color for the outline of the eye and its happy smile. Let's use a nice, bright pink for that. Wow, it's already looking so friendly. Our block friend is smiling big just for you. Our first big color for the squares will be red. Can you find the red color on your screen? Great! Let's color in the first row of squares with red. Now, let's start filling in the squares on our block friend. We're going to go color by color, like building a rainbow. Perfect red! Red like a juicy apple, or a big happy heart. Next up, let's grab the orange color. Orange like a yummy carrot, or a bright orange sunset. Let's fill in the second row of squares with orange. Fantastic orange! You're doing an amazing job. Now, let's find the cheerful yellow. Yellow like the warm sun or a bouncy rubber ducky. Let's color the third row with yellow. Brilliant yellow! It's shining so bright.
we see 3 little green trees swaying happy as can be. 1, 4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow. 5 busy little brown bees buzzing around the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what a happy breeze.
Time for lovely green. Green like fresh grass or a tall tree. Let's color the 4th row with green. Wonderful green! You're making a fantastic rainbow.
Drawing, coloring, counting fun. A happy, happy day. From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, 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 hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new.
Now, let's find the beautiful blue. Blue like the sky on a sunny day or the deep ocean. Let's color the 5th row with blue. Looking good, blue. It's starting to look so cool and colorful.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All counting through.
And for our very last row of squares, let's use a lovely purple. Purple like a royal cape or a yummy grape. Let's make the 6th row purple. Wonderful purple! You're creating a masterpiece! Amazing! Our block friend's body is almost complete. Now for the last special touch. Let's give our friend a lovely light golden color for its arms, feet. This color will make it shine like sunshine. Ta-da! Look at our block friend now. So colorful and happy. You used so many wonderful colors and made our friend look absolutely brilliant. You're all incredible artists. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep coloring your world with joy. See you next time for more fun and colorful adventures. Hello, super learners. Welcome back to My Sprunky. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunky number 1. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be Sprunky's head and face. Make it neat and straight. Great job! Now, draw a long shape under the rectangle. This part is called the body stem or body base. It helps Sprunky stand tall and strong. Now, let's draw the eye. In the center of the face, draw one big circle. Inside it, draw a smaller circle. Inside that, draw a tiny dot. Now, let's draw the mouth. First, draw a smiling curve. This is the smile.
Let's start again, learning songs with every.
Wow! Sprunky looks happy. Check your drawing. Do you have head, body stem, eye, smile, and tongue? If yes, your drawing is complete. Fantastic! Now, coloring time. Get your crayons ready. First, pick black. B-L-A-C-K. Color the pupil inside the eye, the inside mouth area. Color carefully. Stay inside the lines. Great job! Now pick dark red. D-A-R-K-R-E-D. Color the eye outline, the mouth outline, the smile edges. Nice and neat.
And sing both day and night. Learning makes the future bright.
Beautiful. Now pick red. R-E-D. Color the whole body. Head, face, body stem. Fill it smoothly.
In the world, stories told, rainbow colors come and play. In our hearts forever stay. Sprunky's color parade, hooray! Color the world in a fun way. Jump and spin, 1, 2, 3. Sing these colors with me. Pink and purple, black and white, learn them all. Alright, Sprunky shouts, come and see. Colors live in you and me. Wave your hands in the air. Color learning everywhere. Yellow sun and green grass too. Sprunky's colors welcome you. Sprunky's color parade, hooray! Color the world in a fun way. Point to blue, feel the beat. Sing the color, feel so sweet. Count the colors one by one. Learning is so much fun. Color fast and color slow. Sprunky helps us as we go. Sprunky's color parade, hooray! Color the world in a fun way. Dance along, 4, 5, 6. Sprunky's rhythm always sticks. Colors fade into the sky.
Wow, Sprunky is shining. Learning time. Let's learn together. This is Sprunky number 1. 1 means 1. Say it with me. 1. O-N-E. Great job. Fantastic work, super learners. Today you drew Sprunky, colored Sprunky, and learned Sprunky number 1. I am so proud of you. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep learning. See you next time with My Sprunky. Bye-bye.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.